French twist is a classic updo that can be achieved on most lengths of hair. This video will demonstrate how to create a Grip-Tuth Comb French twist on short, medium and long hair, so you can find the best method for you. Create a sleek and secure French twist on short, shoulder-length hair. For this hairstyle, you will need a 4-inch Frenchy Grip-Tuth Comb, a magic grip hairpin, and a small hair elastic. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Ensure the position is one that allows you to best capture all of your short layers of hair. Secure with the elastic. Create a pocket to the side of the ponytail and tuck all of your hair in. Roll the hair inwards to conceal the hair tie. Hold in position and with the Grip-Tuth Comb, use the teeth to pick up some of the outer layer of hair. Flip the comb and push firmly into the twist, trying to secure as much of the rolled hair with the comb teeth as possible. Depending on your hair length and layers, there may be some shorter sections at the base that won't be secured by the comb. Gather and twist these sections together and secure with a magic grip hairpin, pushing up into the base of the twist. With the right tools, even short hair can be turned into a classic French twist updo. Create a sleek and secure French twist on medium length hair using a 4-inch Grip-Tuth Comb. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail and use the teeth of the comb to help smooth the hair. Twist the ponytail together and up towards the top of the crown. Depending on the length of your hair and layers, fold the remainder of the hair down and tuck into the base of the twist. With a firm hold, use the Grip-Tuth Comb to smooth and comb the hair over, capturing some of the outer layer of the twist with the teeth of the comb. How much hair gets captured within the comb at this stage will depend on the thickness of your hair. Then flip the comb and carefully insert it into the base of the twist, ensuring that the full length of the twist is secured by the teeth of the comb. Then smooth the hair down with just your hands or the help of some products, and you will have a sleek and secure classic French twist hairstyle using just one Grip-Tuth Comb. Let's break down how to make this sleek and secure French twist using a 4-inch Frenchy Grip-Tuth Comb. Gather your hair at the base of your neck, pulling out face framing layers if desired. Use the comb to smooth the ponytail. Then wrap your hair up and around 2 fingers. Use this loop of hair to twist and pull the hair up. You should feel your ends slowly incorporate into the twist. Depending on the length, you can either tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them upwards. Now use this loop to anchor the French twist where you want it on your head. Use the comb to smooth the side and grab the top section with the teeth of the comb. Then scoop this section using the comb and flip it over and insert the edge of the comb into the twist, securing everything within the comb against your scalp. It should feel really nice and secure. You can experiment with where you start your ponytail and the tension you use in your twist to create your ideal French twist hairstyle. Use one of these tutorials or a combination of the techniques shown to create the ideal French twist method for your hair length and enjoy this sleek and classic hairstyle comfortably secured with a 4-inch Grip-Tuth Comb. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.